No, wala siyang initial deposit, hindi ka nire-required ng maintaining balance. Hi everyone, it's me, Yami Garcia once again, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna share to you my new savings account. Some of you might know already about this. It's a SeaBank. Si SeaBank is a rural bank. So before we proceed po, of course before ko naisipang gumawa ng vlog na ito is nag-research din ako para I have something to share with the viewers kung sino po si SeaBank. So, si SeaBank is a rural bank and is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, deposits are insured by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation, the PDIC, for up to 500,000 per depositor. So, is SeaBank safe to use? So, it says here that SeaBank, formerly Bangko Laguna Inc., SeaBank is owned by the CLTD, the parent company of the e-commerce platform Shopee. So, kapag meron kayong Shopee application, so doon po makikita si SeaBank, ayon. And someone asked, is SeaBank VSP approved? So, SeaBank Philippines Inc. is a rural bank and is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, basically, it is approved by the BSP. So, SeaBank does not charge any fees for incoming fund transfer. Customer can transfer money to other bank or e-wallets for free up to 15 times per week using InstaPay and PesoNet. Free transfers are reset every Monday. So, free of charge. So, wala kang babayaran kapag nag-transfer ka ng amount mo into other account or kahit sa e-wallets nyo. So, is SeaBank interest daily? So, how is my interest calculated? You will earn interest every day based on the amount or value of your account at the end of the previous day. So, kapag naglagay ka ng money, kapag naglagay ka ng pera doon sa iyong SeaBank account, araw-araw po siyang magkakaroon ng interest po. So, magkakaroon ka ng interest income. So, ang pera mo, hindi lang natutulog, talagang tumataas siya. So, why am I introducing this SeaBank to you guys? So, okay, disclaimer only, I am not promoting this one to you. So, I'm just sharing to you my experience about the SeaBank. So, okay, yeah, bakit ko naisipan na mag-open ng account dito kay SeaBank? It's because, syempre, nowadays, kapag nag-open account ka, you are required to should put an initial deposit, diba, sa mga bangko, sa ibang banks. Kailangan meron kang initial deposit na 3,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 before you can open a savings account. So, dito po kay SeaBank, you just going to download its application in your Google application, Google Play or App Store. So, search mo lang si SeaBank and then download mo. Then, fill out mo lang yung mga kailangan na information doon. So, di ba kapag, kunwari, gusto mong mag-open ng account tapos wala ka pa namang pera. So, for example, gusto mo lang mag-open account kasi, okay, for my personal reason talaga. Kasi gusto ko siyang gamitin sa aking paglo-loan sa SSS. Kaya ako, nag-open ng SeaBank. Kasi isa siya sa mga nakalagay doon sa ating SSS, disbursement module. So, tinatanggap naman si SeaBank as long as meron kang account. Like, for example, wala ka pang savings account. Tapos, hinahirapan kang mag-open ng account kasi nga kailangan ng initial deposit. Another reason bakit ako nag-open ng SeaBank is because, storytelling muna tayo guys. Nung pumunta kasi kami sa Bacoor, sa SM Bacoor, yung pera ko kasi, it's more on palaging nasa phone ko, nasa GCash, tapos giniget ko yung pera ko sa GCash with the CIMB, no? Nandun yung pera ko. So si CIMB, I think, if I am not mistaken, so correct me if I'm wrong, I think nasa 350 yata yun kapag nag-request ka ng physical card kay CIMB. Tapos, merong nag-refer sa akin ng C-Bank, which is si Sir Arvin. Hello, Sir Arvin, shoutout. Shoutout po. So, if you want to download the C-Bank also, so you can use my referral code. If you want to download the C-Bank, you can use my referral code. So, upon signing up, and then if you will going to put 1,000 pesos in your account, it should last kahit hanggang 3 days lang, no? So, patutulugin mo yung 1,000 mo ng 3 days sa iyong savings account dito sa C-Bank, and then after 3 days is meron kayong marireceive na 50 pesos, and then yung nag-refer sa inyo, like ako, kung ginamit nyo yung referral code ko, ako naman ay makakaget ako ng 100 pesos. So, same goes with you guys if you already have the savings account, and then you can earn through referring your friends to use your referral code upon signing up. Pero kailangan 3 days muna na nandun yung 1,000 niya. Hindi niya muna i-withdraw para makuha niya yung rewards na yon. Okay, going back to why I decided to get a C-Bank. It's because during that time nung nandun nga kami sa SM Bacoor. Sige, kasama ko yung mga kids ko, tapos gustong kumain. So sa SM Bacoor, oh my God, doon sa particularly doon sa Jollibee, ang bagal ng signal. Ako kasi, through GCash payment kasi ako, or through CIMB, tapos hindi ako makapag-open. So that was the time na napaisip ako na I think kahit pa paano kailangan ko ng physical card, para at least hindi naman ako napapahiya kasi gutom na kami pero hindi kami nakakain during that time kasi nga hindi nga naglo-load yung aking GCash doon kasi nga mabagal ang signal doon. So ayun, nangyari nung time na yon, hindi kami nakakain. So sabi ko, lumabas tayo kasi wala akong dalang cash. Yung pera ko nandito lang sa account ko, ganon. So sabi ko, oh my God, kailangan ko talaga ng gantong card para at least dito na lang i-debit yung perang need ko. Si C-Bank, guys, nagamit ko na siya. Nagamit ko na itong ang aking physical card. Na-deliver siya so nag-apply ako basta 5 banking days lang. So after requesting my physical card, so by the way, this cost 200 pesos only kapag nag-request ka. So 200 pesos lang ang kanilang physical card. Kapag nag-request ka, within 5 days darating yung inyong physical card. And then na-try ko na siya. So nakalagay doon sa card, guys, yung default card, yun yung magsisilbi mong PIN code. Kasi debit card siya, diba? Debit card siya, hindi siya credit card. Savings account mo kasi to. I-activate mo na rin siya sa iyong application kapag na-receive mo na yung card mo. Okay, one thing, bakit ako nag-apply kay C-Bank? Kasi I'm planning to apply a salary loan dito nga sa SSS. Yung fact na wala akong savings account. The other one is, paano ko kukuha ng proof of account? Kasi dito kay C-Bank, pwede ako mag-request ng bank certificate at ang bilis ng kanyang release, no? Mag-fill out lang ako ng konting information na kailangan nila, and then it will generate a bank certificate, all the details needed, and it will be sent to your email. So, malaking bagay si C-Bank for me kasi siya nga yung ginagamit ko as siya yung in-apply ko as my disbursement during my SSS salary application. For now, eto nga yung aking mga daily interest na pumapasok sa aking account. So, ito yung mga kinikita ng aking pera. Charot. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang natutulog yung aking pera dito. Meron siyang daily interest. By the way, I only have a short knowledge about this C-Bank for now kasi nga kakatry ko lang, siguro wala pang 1 buwan. So, i-update ko kayo kung ano yung pag nagkaroon ako ng kakaibang experience about C-Bank. I'm going to share it with you guys. Syempre, hindi ko naman pwedeng palaging i-build up si C-Bank kung meron akong na-experience na hindi naman maganda. Okay, another one. Nag-try kasi ako kay C-Bank nung nag-purchase po ako sa isang store. So, nung pinipin ko na yung aking PIN code, hindi siya nag-proceed. Kaya ang sabi ng cashier, so straight payment na lang daw. So, ibig sabihin, parang hindi na kailangan ng PIN code. Tapos, nag-go siya. So, it's like, para siyang credit card, guys, na kapag nawala pala to si ating Cbank physical card, ay pwede pala siyang magamit ng ibang tao. Kaya be careful kayo kapag once na meron na kayong physical card ni Cbank, tapos nandito lahat ng inyong savings account. Kasi pwede siyang gamitin kasi hindi nire-required ang kanyang PIN. So, ginamit ko na siya sa Japan Home tapos sa Greenwich. So, hindi na kinailangan yung kanyang PIN. So, that's it for today's video, and I hope ay meron ako na-share sa inyo, and I hope ay mag-trading kayo kay Cbank, and you can use my referral code, here, para parehas tayong mag-earn. So, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!